God, Pastor Charles Osazuwa is my name. I present to you 2023 switch, the team built to last. My God, we have resource person from all over the globe. We have Victor Oladokun from United States of America. We have Soriyan from the United States of America. We have our own Reverend Yemi Davis, Bolaji Idowu, Godman Akilabi, and Emmanuel Olumide, Reverend Jeffrey Iyanonwa. All road leads to kilometer 10, Sapele Road, Benin City. The time for this meeting is 4 o'clock on the 1st, then 2nd and 3rd, 8 a.m. daily. 2023 switch, built to last. Bishop, pastors, those in the mission, those who are in business for leadership and organizational expansion. I look forward to hosting you in 2023 switch. Wow.